Hello everyone. So we had completed our chapter 9. So today we are going to start our exercise. So in this video we are starting question 1 and 2. So let's get started. So first starting with MCQ. First is which wildlife is extinct from Gujarat? So here is 4 option and you have to write all the 4 options in MCQs and the answer is C, tiger. Second one is forest over which the local self-government institutions, for example, Gram Panchayat, municipality, corporations have control. And here is 4 options and the answer is C, collective forest, जो कि community भी जिसको कहते हैं. Third one is how many species of animals and birds are there in the world? Answer आएगा 15 lakh. Fourth one is which animal has become extinct from Indian forest? So here is 4 options and the answer is C, cheetah. Fill in the blanks. First is there are dashed sanctuaries in India. Answer आएगा 531. Second one is India stands dash in the world in terms of biodiversity. Answer आएगा 12th. Third one is vegetations that grows naturally without the help of man is called dash vegetations. Answer आएगा virgin. Fourth one is dash means the destructions of forest. Answer आएगा deforestation. Now part C, true and false. First is reserve forests are looked often by the administrations. Answer आएगा false. Second one is deforestation is the result of progress of man. Answer आएगा true. Third one is there is a complete restriction on grazing domestic animals in national parks. Answer आएगा true. And the fourth one is about a subspecies of vultures are found in India. Answer आएगा true. Now part D, answer in 1 or 2 words. First is with which strategy is the increase of rhino targeted at 3000? Answer is rhino vision. Second one is which forests are located after by the administrations? Answer आएगा protected forest. Third one is what is formed according to international norms? Answer आएगा a bioreserve. Fourth one, which animal is found in the cold forest of eastern Himalayas? Answer आएगा red panda. Fifth one is in which river of India are Ganga river dolphins found? Answer आएगा Brahmaputra and Ganga. Now party match the list. First A, reserve forest. Second is protected forest. Third is communal forest and the fourth one is private forest. In part B, A option is looked after by the administrations. B option is individual ownership. C is directly controlled by the government. D is owned by the central government and the last one is in control of local self government institutions. And the answer is first के सामने C, second के सामने A, third के सामने E और last one के सामने आएगा B. Now second, in part A, first is animal of the cat family, second is sanctuary, third is national park and the fourth one is bio reserve area. In part B, A is run of Kutch, second is Honetru, C is leopard, D is Chandraprabha and the last one is Kaziranga. आंसर आएगा फर्स्ट के सामने C, सेकंड के सामने D, थर्ड के सामने E and fourth one के सामने A. Now starting with question number 2, answer the following question in brief. First is what is meant by a sanctuary? Answer is sanctuary are those protected area where a provisions is made to protect and conserve that those wild animals which are facing the danger and extinctions. The state government can establish a sanctuary for the protection of any special subspecies. Human activities can be carried out there within certain limit. After getting permission from the authorities, grazing can be practiced for domestic animals. And the last point is Periyar, Chandraprabha, Iturnagamam, Sariska, etc. are famous sanctuary. Second question is what is national park? Answer is the areas reserved for the protection of natural vegetation, wildlife, spot of natural beauty and places of national importance are called national parks. In comparison with a sanctuary, this is protected zone. More than one ecosystem is included here. Grazing the domesticated animals is totally prohibited here. The movement of tourism is restricted here. It is not centered around on any single species. It is established through the coordination of state and central government. And the last point is Kaziranga, Corbett, Velavadar, Marine National Park, Gir, Dachigam, etc. are important national park. And the last question is, in which state is the Nal Sarovar located? As you know, नल सरोवर लोकेटेड इन गुजरात। तो यहाँ पे हमने क्वेश्चन 1 और 2 कंप्लीट किए हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड 4 देखेंगे। थैंक यू।